going on, everyone? This is Adrian from Tribe 3 Productions, and today we have a very special treat for you guys out there. Yes, we are in a very, very unique place right now. We're surrounded by how many cameras?
There's over 95 cameras and 8 video cameras in the booth.
And we are here with SHRUNK 3D, and your name, sir?
That's Chris Roloff.
And tell us more about your business.
Well, so I'm with SHRUNK 3D, Madison, Kenosha, and what we do is it's a photography booth, but it prints in 3D models.
And folks, it's if you want to get a clear idea of what it's all about, check out the latest footage that we're showing right now on the screen. Technically, why get the photography done where you can actually do photography and get your own statue? Is that how that works?
Correct, 100%.
So how does the process work here? How to get the statue done?
So basically, you step in the booth, you come in, we take over 200 pictures of you, along with some short video, mesh it together, and then create a 3D file, and then that 3D file gets shipped out, and it prints in a nylon format into the figurine itself, lifelike figurine of yourself.
What are the limitations when people are standing in this cage? Can they do movements, or well, not really, but any poses, any limitations on their costumes, or how big? What's the possibilities they can do here?
Definitely 100%. They can do any type of pose they want. It does need to be still for a very, very short amount of time, limited probably about less than a second. But your idea is as good as it can get.
It's endless. I mean, you can put whatever you want and just imagine getting yourself videoed and photographed, and then at the end of results, you get a really cool statue. What sizes are these statues that you're offering?
We offer anywhere from a 3-inch all the way up to a 9-inch, and you can get a single, double, and we can take up to 3 people here in the booth. We can also do pets, so there are a lot of different options.
There you go, cosplayers out there watching this. I see a lot of cosplayers in groups. Why don't you get your friends together, come and see the booth, get yourself a group statue. That's a really cool idea. I mean, how cool is that to have something displayed in your room or in your living room and stuff like that,
100%. We have a lot of customers also do the Dungeons and Dragons pieces of themselves, their friends, and others in different costumes.
So right now, we're going to put some statues right now on the screen right here, and of course we saw the cheerleader statue, and then we also have the Boba Fett from Star Wars that you did too. Now tell us more about that Boba Fett that you have displayed out there. Is that from what show, or did you get that person from?
So that's actually somebody, I believe, from down in the Houston branch that took that picture.
Okay. All right. And you said, what was the process of delivering the statue once it gets done again?
So basically, during the intake process of when you come into the booth, we ask for your name, your address, and email. Once we get all that, it gets entered in the computer, and then once we take your snapshots, it gets sent out to the 3D printing shop, and then they ship it to your house or whatever location you entered in as the address that you want it sent to.
This 3D business is so cool. It's really taking to the, there's no limitations what you guys can do here. And unfortunately, you know what? Give it a try. Give it a chance. It's so cool. Look at the statues that are being made just by doing 90+ cameras here and being photographed and videographed. You definitely want to check it out. Get your single statue done, groups of statues. Hell, bring your parents, right?
Correct.
Bring the dogs, parents, neighbors, do something.
We get a lot of parents, grandparents. We can do Christmas tree ornaments. Very popular. Grandkids. I mean, all ton of different options for gifts, unique custom things.
And where can our viewers follow up more about your business, and where can they get more information on this?
So they can check out SHRUNK 3D Madison, Kenosha. Just Google it, and it'll bring it to our website.
Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you go visit their website. You gotta jump on this because it is well worth your investment in these statues. Stay tuned for more at Tribe 3 Productions YouTube channel, more Anime Magic, and don't forget Media Day that we're being sponsored by Adobe Guilds at the Rosemount Park. We have way more content coming out very soon. Stay tuned, folks.